Hey, if you're watching this, I have a surprise for you at the end. It's very shocking. First, let's do a house tour. This is my bedroom. Hey, what's up, bro? This Tweety. Say hi, Tweety. Tweety. This, I don't know. That's our altar. Here's our hallway. This is my but this is my dad's bedroom and mother's. Oh. Ooh, nice house over there, bro. Now, for the very big surprise. I have a question for you guys. This is a surprise. English or Spanish?